Hi everybody, how to solve this t? Solution: t to the power of 3 is equal to 27. So this t to the power of 3 minus 27 is equal to 0. And this is the mass to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 0. This has a form a cubed minus b cubed form. So this solved by using a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square form. So using this form, this solved t minus 3 using this form times t square plus 3 times t plus b square means this 3 square is equal to 0. And this the mass t minus 3 is equal to 0, or this one t square plus 3t, this 3 square is 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. So this t is equal to 3 is the first solution, or this one t square plus 3t plus 9 is equal to 0. This is solved by using what? Using this t which is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Thus this is a is equal to 1, and this is b is equal to 3, and here is c is equal to 9. Based on this t which is equal to minus b minus 3 plus or minus under radical b square is 3 square minus 4a is 1 and c is 9 over 2a, 2 times 1. So this t is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under radical this 3 square is 9, 4 times 1 times 9 is 36 over 2. So this is the mass t which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under radical 9 minus 36 is minus 27 over 2 t which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under radical 27 times minus 1 over 2. So this t which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus this 27 is 3 square times 3 times minus 1 over 2. T which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus under radical 3 square times under radical 3 times under radical minus 1 over 2. T which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus this under radical 3 square is 3 times root 3, this radical minus 1 is I over 2. So this t is equal to solution, the plus and the minus. So the plus is minus 3 plus 3 root 3i over 2. So this is t2. So T3 is equal to the minus part, minus 3 minus 3i over. Therefore, three solutions are T1 is equal to 3 and T2 is equal to minus 3 plus 3 times radical 3i over 2 and T3 is equal to minus 3 minus 3 radical 3i over 51 is equal to 3 is the real solution. Is two complex solution and one real solution. So this the three solutions. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Bye bye for now.